Hi everyone, this is Sarah the Catholic Homemaker. Today I'm going to make a healthy version of peach cobbler. So here's all the ingredients you'll need. Raw milk or milk, coconut sugar, cassava flour or regular organic flour, peaches, cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and butter. First you'll need to melt some butter in the pan just on a low or medium heat so it doesn't burn. And this is where you're going to put the peach filling in. It's all melted now. So I've already sliced 5 peaches. You could do maybe 6 at the most. And I'm just putting coconut sugar topping on top. It's 3/4 of a cup of sugar, of coconut sugar I used, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I mixed it all together, and now I am just mixing it in the pan with a wooden spoon until it gets all dissolved together. In the meantime, I'm turning the temperature to 350 on the oven. Okay, everything's melted with the peaches. I'm turning off the temperature and I'm moving it off the heat for now and working on the dry ingredients. So we have a cup of cassava flour, a cup of coconut sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then mixing 3/4 cup of the milk in all of the batter. Here I'm melting 8 tablespoons of butter approximately. That's going to be the bottom of the pan. And now I'm adding the milk into the dry ingredients to finish with the batter. And as I said before, you could use coconut milk to make it a paleo recipe. There we have it. That butter is melted. We just want to swirl it around a little bit just to get it on all the sides. Here I am pouring the batter right on top of that melted butter. Okay, you just want to smooth it out to make it even all around the pan, but try not to disturb the butter too much on the bottom. Now I'm just pouring the peach filling right on top. And you really could get away with less sugar in this recipe because it ended up being pretty sweet to me. But if you are used to sugar, then I think it'll be sweet enough. But if you're not used to so much sugar, I really think you could do less sugar, just depending on your liking of how sweet you like things. Now for the finishing touch, just a bunch of cinnamon on top to your liking. I like a lot of cinnamon. And I'm going to put that right back in the oven at 350. and I realized I made a mistake on the time. I put it in for 37 minutes and I was watching it closely, and it ended up only needing 20 minutes. And I think that's because it was in a cast iron pan. It just heated it up very quickly and it started to smell like it was burning. So you could maybe do 18 to 20 minutes. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Until next time, bye.